Welcome to my course, Radio Access Network Testing for Beginners. In this prologue, I will outline the course aims, explain why you should take this course, show examples of what you will learn, and share my own background of software quality assurance in radio access networks. So, first things first, the course aims. This course is designed to help you understand the essential role of software quality assurance in the verification and validation of cellular telecommunications radio access network technologies without the need for extensive and time-consuming research by uniting well-established SQA practices with the verification and validation of cellular telecommunications RAN technologies. By the end of the course, you will have the skills and knowledge necessary to pursue your software quality assurance career in the cellular telecommunications industry. Next, I will explain why you should take my course. The pace of technology, software, and testing is continuously increasing, fragmenting, and diversifying in the cellular telecommunications industry. Cellular telecommunications employers mostly expect new employees to have basic knowledge of radio access networks, the associated network technologies, and the fundamental software protocols. Software quality assurance employers mostly expect new employees to have basic knowledge of software quality assurance, the software test lifecycle, and the fundamental software testing practices. A career in cellular telecommunications offers significant and rewarding opportunities for learning new skills, resolving complex technical challenges, and contributing to a global industry over many cycles of constantly evolving and advancing technologies. A career in software quality assurance offers significant and rewarding opportunities for learning fundamental software testing skills, acquiring knowledge, and applying best practices across many technologies and global industries. This course will provide you with the knowledge essential to understand and perform the software quality assurance role with radio access network telecommunications technologies. Now I will show you examples of what you will learn. An introduction to software quality assurance. An introduction to cellular telecommunications and the role of the radio access network. An introduction to cellular telecommunication standards. Uniting the SQA role with RAN verification and validation. An introduction to the quality management system. Obtaining everything necessary to start testing the RAN. An introduction to RAN test automation. RAN test planning with test types. Recruiting for software quality assurance in RAN. And finally, some important lessons learned from my own RAN software quality assurance experiences. This is an example of a lesson entry point for a particular module. It shows the lessons completed, the current lesson, and the lessons remaining. In this lesson, I teach test design and coverage techniques. In this lesson, I explain the cellular telecommunications network architecture. Here I show you how communications protocol software is mapped to the radio access network. Here I show you how to integrate radio access network verification and validation requirements to the software development lifecycle and the software test lifecycle. In this lesson, I explain the cellular telecommunications standards industry. In this lesson, I show you examples of the cellular telecommunications standards. Here I define a test strategy as part of creating a quality management system. Here I define the software quality assurance perspective of the software development lifecycle and the benefits of the shift-left paradigm. In this lesson, I share examples of software tools that can map the quality management system to software quality assurance processes. In this lesson, I define the system under test in the context of a fourth-generation base station with test automation and test management frameworks and the DevOps continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous testing pipeline. In this lesson, I relate black box testing and functional test assertions with a fourth generation base station and mobile phone UE example. Here, I share one of my 5 most important rules of software testing. In this lesson, I examine the potential opportunities and benefits of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the verification and validation of the radio access network. Every module contains a list of all the references used, as well as some additional resources and articles in the form of a downloadable PDF for your ease of use. For example, some telecommunications additional information. Finally, here are my credentials for designing this course for you. I have over 25 years of experience in software quality assurance, over 20 of which have been in the telecommunications industry in cellular, handset and base station domains. I have worked as an individual specialist and in positions of team leadership and group management, and through cellular telecoms, I have had the opportunity to travel to and work in RAN software quality assurance in many different countries. I have worked for large and established cellular telecoms companies including Nokia, Ericsson and Keysight Technologies, as well as in new telecom solutions, a RAN base station startup, and from 2nd generation through to 5th generation technologies. I have managed the functional, performance and interoperability testing of cellular handset and base station radio access network protocol stacks, the global certification activities of a smartphone, the implementation, verification and validation of handset conformance test assets with front haul to back haul manufacturers and telecoms industry standards bodies. I have qualifications in teaching and I regularly practice teaching English as a foreign language. Thank you for choosing my course. I guarantee that in the verification and validation of radio access network technologies, the learning never stops.